All right, sometimes when we have 2 points in a plane, we need to find the middle. We need to find the midpoint between those 2 points. And the way that we do it is just take the average of the x values and the average of the y values. Okay, so if you just take the average, which means add up the 2 x values and divide by 2, that becomes the x coordinate of the midpoint. All right, so I can just make that my first coordinate. And then if I average the y values, which means just add them up and divide by 2, that becomes the y value of the midpoint. Okay, so again, I just think of it as the average of the x. So average of the x values and the average of the y values. So let's take a look at example 6. We just want to find the midpoint between the points -2, 3 and the point 6, 5. So all I'm going to do is take the average of the x's. So I'm going to add them up, -2 plus 6 all over 2. And the average of the y values, so 3 plus 5 all over 2. And calculate that out. So -2 plus 6 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So the coordinate, the x coordinate of the midpoint is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, so the y coordinate is 4. And that's all there is to it. So the next one you can give a try. You can give that one a try. Pause the video, and if you want to watch the solution, then you can do that. You can just restart and I'll show you the solution for it. All right, so again, I have 2 points and I want to find the midpoint. So I'm just going to average the x values. So the x values are 5 and 7. So I add them up and divide by 2. And to find the y coordinate, I'm just going to average the y values. -2, oops, not -2, -3 plus 5 all over 2. Now I'm going to calculate the actual values. So 5 plus 7 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. So the x coordinate of the midpoint is 6. -3 plus 5 is 2, divided by 2, so that's 1. So the midpoint is at 6, 1. That's all there is to it. Now you could plot those and verify to yourself that, you know, it really does work. But that's it. All right, so that's all I have for today. And so you can go ahead and work on the discussion questions. I'm going to have you finish this out on your own and do the discussion questions and submit them. And I'll see you in class.